How to customize only followers that can access BuddyPress profile page. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to customize only followers that can access BuddyPress profile page. With this feature, only followers that can access members' profile page. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to download BuddyPress Follow plugin. This plugin is free. You can download it from URL we put on the description of this video. After download the plugin, upload and install it into your WordPress site. And then activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Let's see the result. I try access members profile page that I do not follow and I restricted and redirected automatically another page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.